Good morning. I'm going to show you this morning how to enter an ASQ Childcare Developmental Screening. First, you go log into CoactionNet from this page. You'll log in here, and once you use your username and sign in, your screen will look like this. Then you can go into the client profile screen. The client profile screen will show you a list of all of the clients that are currently in the system that you've entered. And you may or may not have already updated the ASQ Childcare Developmental Screening on this client. But these are all the individuals that you've already entered, and I've searched by the last name client. You can go into this field to determine how you want to search. So typically I use name of the client. So if you click name, this box will pop up, and then you can search by first or last name. I've entered client here, and so you'll notice that both of the clients that are currently on my list have the same last name as client. Once I'm ready to go in and update the ASQ screening, I'll click inside of this box for Ms. Lauren Client. If I click here on Lauren Client, that will take me back to her client profile screen, but instead I like to go to her folder. So when you decide you want to enter the information in the client's folder, you click anywhere outside of the green box. So I'll click here. Once I'm in Ms. Lauren Client's folder, I will update certain forms on her. So what I want to do today is update the ASQ-3 screening. You'll notice that she already has one screening, and to be able to see that one, you can click here on this arrow, and it will be, if she already has the form completed, it'll be highlighted in green. You click here and it'll show you that she had an ASQ conducted on 11/17/2015, and if a referral was made. At that point in time, a referral was not needed. So to create a new ASQ-3 questionnaire, I'll go into Actions here and press Create New. I'll enter the date that the screening was completed. So I'll just use 12/26/2015. Then I'll select Lauren's birthday from here, and the system will automatically calculate the age of the child in months. Then I'll determine which ASQ I'll administer based on her age, the 14-month ASQ. I'll enter the information if she was in the white, the gray, or the black. And you'll have that information on your form. If you've completely fill out your form and complete all of your calculations, once you highlight your calculations on the final page, you'll notice that they're either in the gray area, the white area, the gray, or the black. So you'll select one of those and enter the scores here. Let me change this one to like 55. So you'll enter if they were above cutoff, monitoring, or in the black area, which is below cutoff, and then you'll enter each score on the right side. Independent, there's one question here that says, independent of the child's score, did the caregiver express concerns that may warrant referral of the child? You select yes or no. And then will retesting be required? You can select yes or no. And for this instance, she did have one area where she was in the gray, so you'll come back and retest at some point. Was a referral made? You can put yes or no. Already receiving services. Referral not needed, already receiving services, referral not made yet, or yes. If you select any of these, everything else will stay the same, but if you select yes, then there will be additional questions. If yes, was a referral made to the primary health care provider, you can select yes or no. Was a referral made to the Tennessee Early Intervention Center system, yes or no. And if yes, was a referral made to any other special education, you can select yes or no. Was a referral made for, if a referral was lists which area a child was referred for, you'll type in the area in which the child was referred for. Was a referral made for hearing, or vision, or behavioral screening? We can put yes for this one. Were activities provided by parent or guardian to use related to monitoring of the gray area? We could put yes and then describe those activities here. And was a result shared with a primary care provider? No, yes or no. Once you've completed all of the questions, you'll select Save the Record, view the folder, and you'll notice now that she has 2 completed ASQ-3s, and this one was for the one that we just completed, dated for 12/26/2015.